Hello students, my name is Sehjad and today I am going to present a video lecture on for the course of BA Eco-Honors first year second semester, and the course is Mathematics for Eco second, and today's topic is differential equations. Let us start from the definition of differential equation. An equation which involves dependent variable, independent variable and different derivatives of dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variable is called a differential equation. Below we gives the following examples of the differential equation. Students, here you observe there are mainly two kinds of examples. The first and second is of one category, and the example third, fourth, fifth is the another category. That's why from here the observation is that there are mainly two kinds of differential equation which we discuss further. Now we move another topic, another concept, that is order. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative which occur in the given differential equation. Since for example the order of this differential equation is 1, because here the highest derivative is of order 1, that's why the order of 1. And in the second example the order of this differential equation is 2. Why? Because the highest derivative is of order 2, because this is derivative of order 2 and this one is derivative of order 1. That's why bigger order derivative is this. Therefore, the bigger order derivative is known as the order of the differential equation. So, we can say the order of this differential equation is 2. Now, we move another concept, degree of the differential equation. The degree of the differential equation is the power or the highest power or the degree of the highest derivative, provided the differential equation must be free from radical signs and fractional powers. Here in the question 1, the degree of the differential equation is 1 because in the given differential equation the highest derivative is this, highest derivative is second, and the whole power is 1. That's why degree is 1, because according to definition the power of the highest derivative is degree. The power of the higher derivative is degree, because here the highest derivative have power 1. That's why the degree of this differential equation is 1. Takes the another example of differential equation. In this differential equation the degree of this differential equation is 2. Why? Because first of all we directly we can't explain the degree of this differential equation. First we have free this differential equation from the fractional power. How? Fractional power, here the fractional power is 3 by 2. How we free from fractional power this differential equation? Taking the square on both sides. If we take square on the left hand side, we get the power only 3, and here a4 and del 2 y or del x square whole square. Therefore, after simplifying we obtain the power of the highest derivative is 2. That's why the degree of this differential equation is 2. Now we move the another concept of the differential equation, that is types of differential equation. Mainly there are two types of differential equation. The first one is ordinary differential equation and the second one is partial differential equation. Here we discuss only ordinary differential equation, which is generally abbreviated by ODE. Because ordinary differential equation is only in my syllabus. Okay, let us start ordinary differential equation and the differential equation of the type of first order and first degree. The most standard form of the first order and first degree differential equation is dy over dx is equal to function of xy, or you can say any function m of x and y dx plus another n function of x and y dy is equal to 0. These are the most common standard form of the first order and first degree differential equation, which can be solved by following by many of the following methods. But we have in our syllabus only 3 methods to solve such equations. The first method is variable separable, second method is homogeneous equation, and the third method is linear equations. Okay, let us first discuss variable separable method. In variable separable, a differential equation of the form f1x dx is equal to f2y dy is called a variable separable equations. Means one side you have function of x dx and another side you have function of y dy. This, if you can write a given differential equation in this form, then we can say this form of this differential equation is variable separable form. How you can solve this types of differential equation? We solve this type of differential equation after taking integration on both sides. Okay, let's see in example. Suppose we have to solve this differential equation. So solution of this differential equation can be given as given this differential equation, and we can write this differential equation in this form, which is a separable variable separable form. Variable separable form means one side you have function of y and dy, and another side you have function of x and dx. That's why it is a variable separable equation. So the solution of this types of equation can be obtained after integrating on both sides. So taking integration on both sides, we obtain this, and integration of dy over dy over 1 plus y square is tan inverse y, and integration dx over 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. C is a integrating constant. So this is required solution of the differential equation. So this is very easy differential equation which can be solved by taking integrating on both sides after separating the variables. So student, you have to try these question at home to much understand the concept of the linear first order and first degree differential equation by the variable separable form. Now we discuss the another concept, homogeneous equation. A differential equation of the form dy over dx is equal to f1 means one function of x and y, and in the denominator another function of xy, where first function and the second function both are the homogeneous function of degree same in x and y. This types of differential equation is known as the homogeneous differential equation, and which can be solved by substituting y is equal to v of x and dy over dx is equal to v plus x times dv over dx. And after this simplifying, we will obtain a variable separable form which we have already solved. Let's see this by an example. Solve dy over dx is equal to x square plus y square over xy. Solution of this equation, given differential equation, this is a homogeneous equation because both the function x square plus y square and xy both are the homogeneous function of same degree in xy. Homogeneous function means each term has same degree, same power, means that is x square has power 2 plus another term has power 2. In the denominator there is only one term, and that is also 1 degree. 1 degree how? This one and this one, after adding both the degree we obtain second order. Okay. Now I think you got the idea how you can check the homogeneous function. For the solution of this equation, we substitute y is equal to vx and dy over dx is equal to v plus x dv over dx. Therefore, substituting dy over dx, this thing we obtain v plus x dv over dx is equal to x square as it is plus as it is y square. Y square you have to replace vx. That means y square becomes v square x square over x as it is y. Put the value of y vx, and after simplifying you will obtain x square plus v square x square upon x square v. After simplify you will take the common outside x square, and you remain the rest in the bracket 1 plus v square over x square v. X square cancel x square, and you remain the things 1 plus v square upon v. Now you can take the v right side. You have x dv over dx is equal to 1 plus v square over v minus v. After taking LCM v, as you have x dv over dx is equal to 1 over v, and this is nothing but the variable separable differential equation, which can be solved after taking the integration on both sides as follows. And this is the required solution of this differential equation. Student, try these example at home to better understand the concept of homogeneous differential equation. Now we move the last kind of differential equation, last method to solve first order and first degree differential equation, that is known as the linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy over dx plus py is equal to q, where both p and q are the same, are the sum function of x only. To solve such kind of differential equation, first of all we have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor generally abbreviated I, capital I dot capital F, and write the solution directly as y into integrating factor is equal to integration q in times integrating factor dx plus c, where c you have already known integrating constant, and integrating factor is defined as e raised to integration p dx. Understand this concept by the following example. Solve this example: x square minus 1 dy over dx plus 2xy is equal to 1. We have this differential equation, as this is a linear differential equation, as it can be written as in this form, where p is equal to 2x upon x square minus 1 and q is equal to 1 upon x square minus 1. So integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration p dx, and put the value of p which is 2x upon x square minus 1. After integrating all things we obtain x square minus 1. Hence we can write the solution directly: y into integrating factor y, and integrating factor is obtained x square minus 1 is equal to integration q, and q is given in question 1 upon x square minus 1, and integrating factor is we have already known x square minus 1 dx plus c. This will cancel and we obtain this, and after integrating this we have this as the required solution. Student, please try these questions at home to clear the concept of linear equations. So student, today we have finished the topic differential equation in lecture 1. Thank you.